Hello everyone, this video is about AMD Radeon graphics card. So I will show you how to download and install the AMD Radeon graphics card driver easily. Okay, so we need to go to this website amd.com/en/support. This link also will be in the description for you. So we need to download this one. As you can see, it says auto detect and install for Windows 10 and 11. Driver updates for AMD Radeon. We will be updating the graphics card and also the chipset. So just click on download and wait for it to complete. So once you download it, just open it up and then you will see a screen like this popping up. Just click on install. Then you will see this screen in here which is showing AMD software installer. What this will do, as I mentioned earlier, this will check the hardware compatibility and it will automatically detect the latest driver for you. Then once it detected which graphic card and chipset that you are using, automatically will recommend you the relevant driver that you need. So in here, as you can see, is the RX version. So just click on install and let it install. And then make sure you just follow exactly what is recommended to you. So just check all these ones in here and then just click on install. I hope this was helpful for you and please let me know in the comments if you successfully updated your graphic card driver. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.